name is Jack Noble. I'm an assistant professor of electrical engineering and computer science. I'm the PI for the Biomedical Image Analysis for Image-Guided Interventions Lab, or BAGL for short. My lab investigates novel image analysis and image processing techniques with emphasis on applying these techniques to important clinical problems. We look at state-of-the-art image analysis techniques such as machine learning techniques, graph cut techniques, graph search techniques, level sets, image registration, image-based biomodels. And we try to use all of these different techniques that we have in our technical toolbox to solve important clinical problems and enable new interventions and new types of image-guided surgery. One important area that we work in, one important clinical area that we work in, is in the area of cochlear implants. And these are really magical devices that restore hearing to individuals who have completely lost their hearing. These devices are amazing in that they work remarkably well for many people. The problem is that there's a very wide range of outcomes. So one thing my lab is doing is we're investigating ways we can help guide the surgeon when placing the electrode array to help guide the surgeon to better position the array. This is new objective information that they've never had before, and they can use it to choose settings that actually lead to significantly better hearing outcomes. And VISE has really been instrumental for my lab especially in putting the engineers and the clinicians in the same room so that the people who know how to solve the problems can meet and interface with the people who know what the problems are.